Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. My dear friends, this index is on the verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this index before a massive upside rally get triggered. My dear friends, this index is ready for an upside move of 1000 point immediately. This stock has already broken out an important resistance, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy positions before a massive upside of 1000 point get trigger on the index. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the downside correction started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the index was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, it got triggered with back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, the third and the last lower lows here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end, first time we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and gives an signal, this gives us a confirmation that index had completed the corrections. So far the correction started from this point, got completed at this point. Because because my dear friends, whenever you see the lower lows getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock or index had completed the corrections. And here we will see the diversion. If you'll keep an RSI indicators, you will be able to identify even the diversion is also on the positive side. If you'll see the price action tilted on the downside, and the same RSI indicators tilted on the upper end, and here we got a breakout, and that's where we are waiting for an upside move of 1000 point. And my dear friends, we will discuss now the fourth positive signal, and that is an chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to witness and you know the you'll be able to see the falling wedge. You can identify and clear falling wedge indicators chart patterns. This is a falling wedge chart patterns, and here you'll able to also witness the five wave inside this chart. If you'll see over here, my dear friends, you'll be able to, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and here we got a wave 5, and here we got a breakout over here. And along with that, if you see here, we also have some kind of range breakout also. If you see over here, this is a range breakout too, and here is the neckline. And my dear friends, here we already got a complete breakout over here with 43,300, and very soon you will be able to see the index reaching with a target of 44,300. It's a massive upside move of 1000 point from the current price. If you could see over here, there's a massive upside move of 1000 point from the current price. And my dear friends, I just want to update you that this area will going to act as an important support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper end. This is an area where we have identified the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have witnessed the positive diversion between the RSI indicator and price action, and this is a point where we have also identified and parallel channel chart pattern, the positive chart pattern, along with the falling wedge clear breakout. So with all these positive factors, this area has turned into an important support. So far this was an resistance, which has turned now into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And that's it, my dear friends. If you like my analysis, please give like to my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, my dear friends. See you soon.